gonna do is we're going to customize the home page using some of the features from the other ones. So right now, here's what we have. It's not bad. We're gonna take some of the, okay, we have Plumber, don't need that. What was nice here? This wasn't bad. The FAQ section. Oh yeah, this. That's not bad either. This is good. And probably this too. So we're gonna just throw these all together and make something nice. So, okay, that's good. Don't need pricing. Testimonials is good. So, let's go through. This is, so from here we want, where do we want from this? This. Let's copy that. Let's add this. How do you remove this person? There. Maybe if we do it the opposite way. If we add it here. Okay. It's not bad. No overlap. Where do we get this from? Okay, what else do we want from here? We'll take this, but we'll see. Do we have an about us? No. Paste. Okay. That's good. What else? What we do, I think, already have that. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's good. Oh, FAQ. Go back and see what the home page. See if we already have an FAQ or testimonial. This is actually better. So go to FAQ, which will, let's add that here. Okay. That was okay, don't need that. It's the one we currently have. Just the 1-page version. What about this? This is we have as well. FAQ. Let's copy that. Very bottom. Okay. Actually, maybe we'll move this up to here. This is kind of nice too. I'm going to take this as well. Okay, I'm not sure where we're gonna put this, but about, it's not the best. We're gonna replace, that was this. I can move this up to here. Okay, nice. Balance there. Awesome team. Oh, this is looks very nice. Let's publish it. See how this looks. So from beginning, okay, nice. We'll have to get the images properly, but okay, good. What we do, nice. Okay, cool. Projects, so we have a project. I think we'll do one be services, yeah, we'll do services, okay. Team, projects, testimonials. Nice. Okay. So now from here, just go to menu, finished up the home page, so menu, primary. We don't need any of these other ones. Custom link. Okay, save. Let's see how this looks. Do need to do is change this. Change that right now. Let's see if I can update it to be home. Hoping there's not another page called home. Let's see. Should be fine. There. So now that's home. So home page 5. Error page we don't need or remove. What's the difference between contact us and contact? It's the same page, so don't need that. There's projects. Move this to here. I'm gonna call this about, and we're gonna put that here. About team, not team single. FAQ page. Is there not an FAQ page? Let's view all. Search. FAQ. There is not. So we're going to create an FAQ page later. Projects, okay. Save. About, and that will be FAQ. Services. Projects. Okay, what do we have for this? Oh. So, blog. Yeah, custom page. Hold on. We will go find that page. Pages. Actually, it should be under post. Oh, should I see? View. So that's that. Where it is? Here we go. Save. Refresh. Let's try it again. Okay. What's this? Accordion. Okay, we'll come back and fix that later. Blog. Going to remove some of these side. So go to widgets. And what do we want to? That search is cooler. So go remove recent posts. Remove search. Which one is the cooler one? That's gone. That's gone. So remove everything besides this last one. That can stay. This can go. That can go. This can go. That can go. Okay, let's see how this looks now. Refresh. It's good, but how do I remove that? Oh, I just delete it? Yeah. Update. Go back to blog. There we go. Oh. Let's try. Still has to update. That's fine. So that's blog sidebar. Service sidebar. Don't need brochure. Come back to that. Footer. Quick links. Footer. Okay. So we will come back. Oh, I talked to them. Update that. Let's update it. Now go to blog. There we go. Oh, it's weird. Oh, let me search. That's all right. So, let's go to contact. Let's show its homepage look like real quick. Okay. So let's pages, contact, home, service. How many services do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 services. More, 4 services. 5 projects. So let's go check this out. So this is the main one. Oh, we have to create this too. Okay. What I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna take, what's the about stuff too? We have to create that. So service. This is the home. Service 2 looks better than service 1. Not sure why you removed the menu. So remove actually all of these. And I'm going to edit this page called services. Services. Save. View. Menu. And that. Later we'll create the actual services for it, but okay, edit. This is the actual service page. Let's see. Projects. Project details. So we also need to edit this. So we need to edit this. So what do we want to take from the home page? So what we have here, that's not bad. Keep that. Keep that. I'm going to remove this. Instead, we're going to add, I think I already have, add that. Actually, if I could do this, it's better than this. Then what we do awesome team testimonials. FAQ. And this message. Okay, publish. Later again we'll go through and actually create the copy for all this stuff, but for now, services. I had a service, here we go. Copy that. It's a little boring at the top here. Let's go ahead. Add that. This needs to go here. Okay. It's good. Yeah, we're removing that. Remove that. And that. Don't need pricing. Have that. Sorry, do I already have? Don't. Have that. With this. Copy. projects. FAQ. Oops, here. FAQ. Then finally this. Okay. Publish. And projects. First, you're removing that. Absolute garbage. So let's see. Projects. Let's do this. Projects. Successful projects. Then we'll have this. This. What else? Have this. Link to our services. Testimonials. FAQ. And then this. Okay, let's see how this looks. I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna do the about page, services page, and projects page. So maybe if we swap these two out. Okay, let's go to about. This looks much better. That. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Okay. We'll have to change the pictures, but still. Okay. Don't really need this actually. Publish. Awesome team. Add a spacer. Publish. Oh, wanted it below, not above. Yeah, here. Okay. I have to figure out how to fix that out. Spacer after that too. Spacer. It actually doesn't look that good. I'm gonna get rid of this. So let's see how this looks. Okay. Projects. Don't really need this. Projects. Okay. Yeah, also we're going to remove this. I deleted that. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's nice. Services. Get that fixed. Okay, and remove this as well. Publish. Got it. Okay. So in the next video, we're going to go through and create content for the home page, about page, projects page, and contact page. So I will catch you all in the next video.